Hey everyone! If you're a food enthusiast like me, you know that honey isn't just a sweetener. It's a golden elixir that can transform a dish. Today, I'm here to guide you through the world of honey, helping you pick the perfect one. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the basics. Honey comes in various forms and flavors, influenced by the nectar source the bees have visited. For instance, clover honey is widely loved for its sweet, mildly floral taste, perfect for your morning tea or drizzled over a warm biscuit. Now you might be wondering, what about raw versus processed honey? Well, raw honey is the real deal. It's not heated or pasteurized, which means it retains all the natural vitamins, enzymes, and powerful antioxidants. It's thicker, cloudier, and packed with flavor that processed honey just can't match. So if you're looking for honey with health benefits, raw honey is your go-to. Let's not forget about locality. Local honey isn't just about supporting local beekeepers, it's also about reaping health benefits. Local honey contains pollen that's specific to your area and can help build up immunity against seasonal allergies. Plus, it's a sustainable choice that reduces the carbon footprint associated with transporting goods. So next time, check out your local farmer's market for some golden goodness. For the adventurous souls out there, explore varietal honeys like Manuka from New Zealand, known for its medicinal properties, or Tupelo, celebrated for its buttery sweetness and resistance to crystallization. These unique types can be more expensive, but they're worth every penny for the depth they add to your palate. Finally, a pro tip: always check the label. Avoid honey that lists added sugars or syrups. Pure honey needs no additives. Its natural beauty should shine through. And remember, the darker the honey, the more intense and robust its flavor will be. So there you have it, folks. Armed with these tips, you're now ready to choose the perfect honey that not only sweetens your dishes, but also enhances your health. Don't forget, every jar of honey holds a story of 1,000 flowers. Explore, taste, and enjoy the journey. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to your next sweet discovery.